Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from eSewa without KYC. So first of all, you need to understand that eSewa now limits non-KYC users. You can only do small transactions without full KYC. So to withdraw, you need to first of all open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to simply try to find a trusted eSewa agent or merchant near you. For that, you can simply type eSewa and then you can type merchant or agent near me. So once you search for this query, you will see various results. So you can just tap on any of these and try to find any trusted eSewa agent and merchant near you. Then you need to send the money to their eSewa ID and ask them to give you the cash directly. Some small shops and mobile stores also offer this service, but you need to confirm their charges first. Another way is to buy a mobile top-ups and pay the bills and ask the shopkeeper to return the extra balance as cash. Remember that without KYC, your withdrawal limits are low and you must be very careful to avoid any scams. For larger withdrawals, completing your KYC is safer and required by the law. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.